Look at that. Right on the money. What's going on, YouTube? It's Trent for Truck Life Productions. Back with another video. My grandmother's birthday's tomorrow, so gonna be heading down the road here, meeting up with my dad at his house, and we're gonna be taking his truck to go get stuff. He's got a 2016 F-150, which I'll be doing some videos about it and it compared to like this one. But so y'all see it. I don't know right offhand what generation it is. Something newer, but I'll get around to showing you that here soon, and we'll go get the supplies. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back. So we're gonna go up to the store. We're heading to Lowe's. We're gonna take my dad's truck. This is a 13th gen. I had to look it up, but it's anything from 2015 all the way up to new. So gonna head up into this, and this will be on the channel a little bit more later on. I'll do some videos about it and some review videos, some comparison videos, stuff like that. But I'll give you a little quick look of how it looks. It is dirty because it's been raining, weather's been a little nasty, but there it is. So see you soon. I'm gonna come on here real quick while we're getting on the highway. So this is a 2016 F-150. It does have the 5.0 Coyote in it. He is gonna be doing a few things to it, but I don't know when just yet. Give a little quick inside of how it looks on the inside. It does have a backup camera with the screen there. It is the smaller one, but it does have the back seat. That it's a extended cab, and the back seats, these actually fold up, unlike the ones in the 10th gen. These go upward, but I think you can also fold the backs down. I'm not sure, but with the back doors right there, both sides open, and they're actually the 170-degree door, where they almost open completely toward the back of the bed. But it is a aluminum body truck as opposed to the steel bodies, so it is a little bit lighter. But other than that, it's about the same as the 10th gen, just a little bit newer on everything. And something I like here, so the way that this door panel is and the window and everything, this come out on the Super Duties whenever they started coming out in '99, where it's up higher here and it goes down to be able to see your mirror. But also with like the door handle, it's inside of the little armrest right here, as opposed to having it out on the door frame itself or door panel. This one's actually inside of the thing right here. So I do like that. That's the way the Super Duty trucks are as well. But all right, we'll see you soon. So we just got back from Lowe's. We got 24 2x4x10s. Got 6 pavers and some 2 7/8 inch nails. We're gonna build a greenhouse frame for my grandmother for her birthday, and I'll let you see it as it gets put together. What we've gotten so far, the floor frame, and this is actually mine and my dad's first time building a floor frame for anything, so I think it turned out pretty good. It's 10 by 8 foot, and measurements coming out right at it, so we're looking good. Got the brace supports in the middle there, so once we start getting everything else put together, I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. All right, so this is where we are now. We've got some sides up, or got corner boards up, and in the middle there, the clear pieces are gonna be about 4 feet wide, so that's where they'll go. And we got top boards going across, and they got a little overhang, so if she wants to hang some baskets off the outside, she can do that as well. We still got other stuff like flooring and the bottom boards and all that to put on, but this is progress so far. All right, so we've done a little bit more work lately. I'll show you the outside here in a minute, but this is the inside. So far it's closed off with plastic. There's gonna be a window going right there, and we've got a roof on top. There's gonna be a door opening right here, so that'll be gone, but it'll be looking more like a greenhouse, or is looking more like a greenhouse. So once we start getting more stuff done, like I said, I'll show you the outside, but one door and one window. Everything else is plastic. And this is hard plastic up here. So if we get like snow or like heavy rain or something like that, or debris flying up here, ice, it won't, nothing happen to it. It'll be good and sturdy to be able to hold it up. But I'll show you the outside here in a minute. All right, y'all, so here's the outside. That's what it looks like right now. We just got that covering up the door. We're gonna have to work on it again another day, but we got plastic pulled tight. We got these pieces in, it's holding the plastic. She's gonna end up painting it white, all the wood here, and the bottom's gonna stay gray. It's gonna sort of match the house. House has got like a white top with a gray bottom. There's gonna be the window. It's already boarded around. We're gonna have to cut it out and make a functional window. But and stuff like that, you know, where the board wasn't long enough, we're gonna end up caulking it, and so it's gonna go together good. But that's how it's looking. I'll let you see more once we get more done. All right, so we got a little bit further today. Got caulking up around the top so we can seal it up. Got a door now, door handle, door latch. It's all sealed up. We got a window. Got a thermometer. It was over 105 degrees earlier today when it was 70 degrees outside. So it got pretty nice and hot in here, but still got a little bit of work here and there to do. A little extra plastic we gotta trim off, but we're letting it air out a little bit. But it latches, closes. Got these around the back, seals up the holes that were in the back, caulked around them, so that way it just about completely enclosed. We had to fill up the sides and everything like that, but a little bit more of the door. But it's starting to come together as a greenhouse. Got a latch system. You can still see all the way through it, at least on the video here. Well, I can in person too, but it's working out pretty good. We'll keep on. All right, so this is the final part. Got a little awning over the door. Put a little bit more over the front right here, and a little over the window. Should have all leaks sealed up now, and for the summertime, they're gonna be throwing a white type of cloth tarp over top. That way it keeps it from getting so hot in there, because it got up to like 105, 110 earlier, because it's about 75 outside. But so that's the finished product. That's us building a greenhouse for my grandmother for her birthday. It ended up going about a month after her birthday, but we've got it pretty much done, and that way she can use it whenever it's time to use it. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.